Now, VAT can be one of those tricky areas, but once you understand the basics, you should find it reasonably straightforward. There are a few key points it pays to keep a close eye on if you want to make sure you don't fall prey to costly pitfalls. First, timing is crucial. Every transaction must be shown in your VAT return if the tax point, that's the point at which VAT is accountable, falls within your VAT return period, whether or not payment has been received. Be aware of different VAT schemes. Depending on your circumstances, you will use a different VAT scheme. There's the cash accounting scheme, which any business with a turnover of less than £1.35 million can apply to join. Then there's the flat rate scheme, which applies to businesses whose annual turnover, excluding VAT, must be less than £187,500. The annual accounting scheme applies to businesses with a turnover of up to £1.35 million, and under this you only need to file one VAT return every year. Talk to your tax advisor to find out which scheme applies to you. Get your paperwork right. You must issue full VAT invoices when you supply to VAT-registered businesses. A full VAT invoice should include a unique identifying number, your name, address and VAT number. Also, your customer's name and address. It should also include the tax point, a description of the goods or services, the VAT rate, the total, excluding VAT, the VAT amount and the total payable. Know what you can't claim back. Now, you can't reclaim VAT on supplies for personal use, and there are very strict rules about supplies to sole traders, partners or directors. The treatment of entertainment varies according to who is being entertained. For example, you can't reclaim VAT on business entertainment, but you might be able to reclaim VAT related to staff entertainment, such as costs of a team night out to an event or club. So what if you're trading overseas? Now, imports from EU countries are generally zero rated for VAT. Imports of goods from outside the EU attract VAT at UK rates on entry and may also attract customs duty. Exports of goods to VAT-registered buyers in other EU countries don't usually attract VAT. Exports of goods to countries outside the EU are zero rated. If you trade with the EU, you must supply details of your transactions. The information you must declare depends on whether the value of your imports or exports exceeds the £260,000 threshold. And finally, business gifts are usually treated as taxable supplies with VAT due on their value.